Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Whenever your time right now. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fawaz Akil Wafi. I am an undergraduate student from Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University, majoring in informatics. Right now, I want to have a speech about the importance of speaking skill in this globalization era and the influence of AI. Technology for your speaking skill. So, first thing first, in this time of era, to have speaking skill with the globalization and AI is an important ability because to communicate is being able to understand and have your meaning transferred to the other with the understanding enough of what you're saying, so you have not misunderstanding, because if you can communicate good enough, the other end probably have some kind of misunderstanding and it would be disaster. Yeah, so in this globalization era and with AI, I mean we could make ourselves seeing talk with fluent English even without the proper intonation, because I mean there is AI that can do our speech and even better, it could mimic our speech using our voice in the fluent intonation. So why having speaking skill is important if we have AI? Because speaking skill is not just about the intonation or the accent of your English speaking ability, because it's to communicate, to have understanding, a connection between you and the person you're talking to. Because with all all of that, we have AI, but it's not human. Like, you know, it's not human. There is no connection in that. Even if the speech is abruptly perfect in some way, but there is not really have like the feeling of connection that somehow the human have. Like in some way, it's a robotic, like it's mimicking our ability to communicate, but it's not fully for the understanding of it. Like in this globalization, we need effective speaking skill. Like it's a fundamental necessity. Sorry, it's raining right now. Like if we have something to tell, like if we have an idea or some kind, or some negotiation, or even some business meeting, we have an idea, a great idea, and we don't have the capability to speak it, not fluently, but to make it understandable, like the other party is understanding what we are trying to say and have meaning of it. Like if we don't have that, they will this is they will have misunderstanding, and it's gonna be bad, like really bad. And speaking itself, we need to build a self-confidence, like strengthen our authority and allow us to influence change. Like we could change, uh, like what is it? We could change the entire atmosphere or even the mind of the other party that we talk to, because our speaking skill, like the first president of Indonesia, the orator, like he has the charisma and the speaking ability that can make people change their mind and influence them. And in this era, speaking skill is a valuable currency of the global communication, because it is the fundamental thing that we have. Like information is the most valuable thing, even in AI. Like AI is using our information. Like they don't, they can do the speech mimicking our ability to communicate, to speak. Like we have to, AI is needing our information to do it. Sorry for, because it's, I have yeah, like AI is needing our information to make their speech pattern like ourselves. Like AI is not a threat to our community or speaking skill in this globalization era, because it made of our information, like our speaking skill and speech and writing capability. And one of the most thing we have to say, like I have to say in speaking and communication in this globalization era, is to have some good grammar or pronunciation. But the most important thing is the human interaction and the understanding of the information on the other end of the conversation. Like our grammar, like we could use like instant feedback from AI to learn our pronunciation, to be good in speaking, and to be, what is it, to be more fluent in it. And English is a good language. Like uh, I guess like 90% of the world use English, I guess, because it's an international language. Like the user of English language is like probably billions. Well, uh, conclusion is AI is not really a threat. Like the speaking skill in this globalization era is not a threat to our learning process. It becomes our great greatest tool to learn, because even without a partner, we could use AI to conversation, to have a conversation with it, and and make this into the globalization era, because we could understand, because we could speak it, because we could write it. And AI is good if if you use it correctly and not just blatantly trust it with your uh, learning process, you still need a teacher, but it's a great tool to have to use in our globalization era and in the colonization of AI for the whole internet, and the the time we could use for AI for our English skill, like language improvisation, like for the speech writing or even speaking. Yeah, I'm really sorry because right now I am in a blackout, and yeah, it's rainy. Yeah, and pray for Sumatra. Betul. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.